Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to enter our flex hours. Just to let you all know that we are required to submit our flex hours for full-time faculty, adjunct faculty who are teaching and non-teaching. So for adjunct faculty who do not have a spring 2020 assignment, you need to make sure you submit your hours by December 19th by 6 p.m. And if you're not aware, that adjunct faculty owe half their units. So if you're teaching 6 units, then you owe 3 hours. Full-time teaching faculty owe 33.5 hours plus half of their hourly units. And then full-time non-teaching owe 35 hours. And the new system will automatically calculate your hours. So please make sure that you get them in. Okay, we're going to go and do this. So I think it might be a little bit easier. I will send you the link, but if you go to LA City College, you click on faculty and staff. You scroll down to professional development. This will actually take you to the professional development website. And then you could take a look here. There are quite a few tabs. But to enter your flex, we will focus on the VRC portal. So you will click here. And for those of you who need to input the username and ID, password, it will be exactly the same as you log on to your email. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to enter a flex activity. Now, this is going to be a little bit different, but in this particular case, let's just do one together. So let's just do mandatory flex day. And I am a math individual. Are you going to edit here? And so in this particular case, and so the training date here is going to be, if you're backdating, it was Thursday the 22nd. The end date here would be Thursday the 22nd. And if you attended the entire flex day, that would be 6 hours and 30 minutes. You do have to select a Title V category. So in this particular case, it would be a staff development in service training and institutional improvement. And here to select a file, I have chosen, so if and I put it on my desktop here so that you're able to see the Fall Symposium 2019 program. And then you would hit submit. However, you see how it says here to mark complete. If you don't take this further action, it's not completed. So by clicking this mark complete here, you must sign. So therefore, you click the sign and make sure that you read the information just to verify that everything is inputted correctly. And if you feel that there is an error, you are able to click these, is it here? I don't think that's the button. I think it's edit your external training. So you will click here to make the adjustments Here you would enter your name, it's saved, and then you will hit sign. And so when you click here, your transcript button, you don't see it. Oh my goodness, where did it go? So then you will click here to show completed. And then in this list, it will tell you all the trainings you complete. But then you're like, well, how many hours have I completed? Well, in order to determine how many hours, if you go to learning here, learning, and you click learner home, then it will tell me that I have 10 completions and 55 hours. So this would be where you have your completions and hours. And then continue learning, it says here that I have an external training that needs signature. And so I would go back and complete that. And once you have done that, then you're done. And once you get to your hours that you owe, it's automatically saved in the system.